And then, ay, ang bibigay. And do the number one! Number one, everybody! Alright, birthday boy, mommy, daddy, you go.
Happy birthday!
Magic po sila may magic, magic sa ibo. Everybody clap your hands to ibo! Okay, we're going to do the magic. Alright, everybody, I have my first toy. It's... Ano ni Panawa? What do you call this one? It's a rattle. Okay, what do you call this one? A rattle. The next toy is a pygmy toy. Rattle and a speaker. Alright, everybody watch. 1, 2, 3, blow the toys. The rattle. Does it still rattle? Not anymore. The speaker. Does it still speak? Not anymore. 1, 2, 3, blow. The rattle becomes and the speaker becomes and clap your hands, Ava! Alright, 20 pesos. Congratulations. See? Gusto niyo million? 1 million 2 minus 1 million? 2. 2 plus 2. 2. Pila. 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Pila galing?
6.
Ay, he's going to sing happy birthday to Clay. Everybody clap your hands to Nathan. Happy birthday. Go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Daniela, I love you. Kilala si Daniela. Daniela, I want to kiss you. Isa lang ka kiss na lang. Sa cheeks lang, sa cheeks. 1, 2, 3. Masing it's happy birthday because you forgot to clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Happy birthday. Go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Ano din sing niya happy birthday niya? You forgot to say happy birthday, Clay. Everybody shout happy birthday, Clay. What's your name? What's your name? Sino mo po? Di na? Grabe ko. What's your name? Sino mo po? Yes! Come on! Let's go! Good job, Panangkawi. Bila ko ng tingin ay Panangkawi. Let's go! Faster! And the last one! Who will be the winner? Faster! But of course, mayroon ng consolation prize. Kiss na din yung mga kiss na din. And may consolation prize man. Money, kiss ka mo kay Papa. Abo. Ano rin your name? How old are you? What do you want to be when you grow up?
Police.
7 years old. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Highway Slay.
A vet. Veterinary. Ka-take care sa... Grabe, hindi makuraba. 34 points! Next, what's her name?
Baby.
Alan Rainy. Oh.
Sabi ko lang paper 5 minutes. So, sila pa
Tatay, help! Help!
Something that seems alright. Yes, I got mine. I think I need it in my mind. I shouldn't be